Now we have created our database and the table to store the data. Now we are going to connect to our database using PHP. So in our folder, let's create a new file called connection.php. And then inside this file, we're going to write the PHP code. So here we need to have the name of our server. So currently we are inside this one, a localhost, username set to root, then password. Currently it's empty. So now let's going to connect to a database. So let's store the connection inside this variable, then we'll use PDO. So just write PDO, then here we can write MySQL host. So we need to make it double quote since we'll be adding a variable. Name the server, then here the DB name, which is students, then we'll have the username and the password. And then here let's just set the PDO error to exception. So just in case we have an error, we'll try to catch this one. So I'll set attribute here, mode, so it will be error mode exception. Now here let's try to bar dump our con. So let's go to our browser, then here let's just use our connection.php. So as you can see, we have successfully connected to our database. Now let's try to use this one. As you can see, it returns an error since we don't have this database created in our server. So let's go back, then we can use to wrap inside a try and catch. So in case an error will occur, we'll be able to capture it. So this will get the error message. So let's try to run the error message or dump. As you can see, it's showing now. That's because it doesn't have an error. So error, let's just use error message set to now. So in our next video, we are going to use this connection variable in order to implement the login or the login logout of the user.